Today we are creating Ariel from the live action Little Mermaid. I love this movie. I've seen it twice already and it's still opening weekend. Halle Bailey's vocal delivery in A Part of Your World is breathtaking, and the animated sea creatures dancing in the under the sea number is incredible. I still don't know how they made Ariel swimming so fluid. Like, it looks like it's underwater and my mind just can't comprehend how they did it. I mean, I've seen the behind the scenes footage with the blue screen. I don't get it, man. Now, I've never wanted to be a mermaid, but gosh darn it, I want to be a part of that world now. I mean, I don't understand why she wants legs when her fins look like a dress from the Met Gala. She looks like she's at the Met Gala every day. I would love that, man. I want that. Curious, have you seen The Little Mermaid? And what is your favorite song? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what cake you'd want me to make next, and follow for more.